Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to unravel the complexities of inventory control, also known as stock control. We'll be giving you a practical guide to some of the most important processes and formulas you need to know to help your company navigate this essential part of business operations. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and I'll be your guide through this. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team looking to boost efficiency and impact your bottom line, stay tuned. Now, inventory control is all about managing a company's warehouse inventory levels. From the moment an item is ordered, through its storage, movement, and usage, right up to its final destination or disposal, it's all part of the inventory control process. Over the years, many systems, processes, and technologies have been developed to help companies streamline these supply chain processes. And it's worth noting that according to Investopedia, inventory is usually one of the largest current assets appearing on a business's balance sheet. So, finding ways to manage inventory efficiently can significantly impact an organization's bottom line. Here, we'll dive into some important inventory control processes and formulas that have been created to help companies navigate the complexity of inventory control. First up, we have quality control. This is a crucial part of inventory control, and the processes you use can have a significant impact. When you work with a supplier that shares your quality standards, you can develop a long-term relationship. And batch tracking ensures your stock consistently meets your highest quality standards. Next, we have organizational control. It might seem like a simple concept, but having your stock meticulously organized with a stock control process makes a huge difference. This begins by labeling your stock with SKUs that are easy to understand and simple to read. You start with an initial stock take and then use the right inventory tracking system to keep track of movements and levels. Then we have the Reorder Point Formula. This is a method of controlling inventory that determines the right time to order more stock. To calculate this, you simply add together your lead time demand in days and safety stock in days. So reorder point equals lead time demand plus safety stock. Lastly, we have the economic order quantity, or EOQ. This is the optimum inventory you should purchase to minimize the costs of ordering and holding. To calculate this, you'll need to know your annual fixed costs, demand in units, and carrying costs per unit. Then, you use a formula to find your economic order quantity. We'll also discuss managing inventory with an inventory control system. This is a computerized solution that brings all aspects of inventory management into one cohesive system. Its purpose is to help control your stock in order to hold the least amount of inventory in your warehouses, improve cash flow, and lower holding costs. A wide range of manufacturing, distribution, and retail facilities use inventory control systems to manage the movement of items throughout their business. This could be tracking the movement of finished products from suppliers to customers, ordering raw materials to produce a finished product, or tracking maintenance, repair, and operations inventory, which includes items like hand tools and janitorial supplies used to keep an organization running. In all cases, items must be identified with a name or number, barcode, or radio frequency identification tag so they can be easily tracked. Items are then manually recorded or automatically scanned so they can be followed and managed in a central computer system such as a CMMS. Integration into a main computerized system and high-quality data are key to a successful inventory management system. An effective inventory control system can help you ensure you have the right amount of raw materials, MRO supplies, or finished items on hand to meet your demand. This could mean higher customer satisfaction or reduced downtime on a manufacturing line. Finally, we'll chat about choosing the right inventory management software. This decision can have a tremendous impact on your inventory control processes. Good software streamlines the process, while lower quality software can create an additional set of issues that companies then need to deal with on top of everything else. When you use a set of processes and formulas in tandem with the right inventory control software, inventory control can be simple. It's up to the companies to build the right framework to support it. Thank you for joining us today. We've covered the essentials of inventory control, from understanding processes and formulas to choosing the right inventory management software. Remember, effective inventory control can significantly impact your organization's bottom line. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.